this video, I will be using the Windows Server 2019 CA Web Enrollment Service. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In its address bar, type https:// followed by the IP address of your Windows CA server. After this IP address, type another / followed by the letters CERTSRV. This will load the Certificate Web Enrollment Service. From the list of tasks, click Request a Certificate. Then click the Advanced Certificate Request link. The section shown here is where you need to paste the CSR generated by the Brother device. To do this, find the Brother generated CSR file. The file extension should be .pem. Open this file within a text editor and copy all of its contents, including its beginning and end sections as shown here. Paste this text into the Save Request box. From the Certificate Template drop-down menu, select the Web Server option. Finally, click the Submit button. When prompted to do so, select the Base64 encoded option. Then click the Download Certificate link. Save the signed certificate to your server. This is what you will need to upload to your Brother device. Thank you. Check out the link in the description if you would like to learn how to create a CSR from a Brother device.